Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PBS Kids on Apple TV step by step clearly. First, ensure your Apple TV is powered on and connected to the internet. Navigate to the App Store on your Apple TV. In the App Store, use the search function to find PBS Kids. Once you locate the PBS Kids app, select it to open the details page. Click on the Get button to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Locate the PBS Kids app icon and open it. When the app opens, you will see an option to activate your device. Select the Activate Your Device option to proceed. A unique activation code will appear on your screen. Now, grab your smartphone or a computer and open a web browser. Go to the PBS Kids activation website, which is pbskids.org/activate. Enter the unique activation code displayed on your Apple TV. After entering the code, click on the Submit button. Follow any additional prompts if required to complete the activation process. Once activated, return to your Apple TV. You can now enjoy a variety of PBS Kids content directly on your device. If you encounter any issues, make sure your Apple TV is connected to the internet and try again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.